In the twilight of his career, astrophysicist Dr. Armand Silas found himself obsessed with the celestial enigma known as the Black Nebula, an obsidian cloud in the interstellar void that devoured light and eluded exploration. The nebula was a cosmic blind spot, a lacuna in the vast expanse of space that seemed to pulse with an unknowable rhythm. No probe sent into its murky depths had ever returned, and any transmission aimed at it was swallowed as if by an insatiable beast of the cosmos. Dr. Silas, a once celebrated scientist, now disgraced by the mainstream community for his outlandish theories about the nebula, labored in seclusion within the rusting hull of a private observatory perched on a craggy mountaintop. He had poured his dwindling resources into one final, desperate experiment, crafting an instrument capable of piercing the nebula's impenetrable shroud. On a night embroidered with stars, Dr. Silas aligned his apparatus with the nebula's heart, initiating a resonance scan that he hoped would reveal the nebula's secrets. As the machine whirred and hummed with arcane life, the air within the observatory grew thick, charged with the scent of ozone and the tremor of forbidden energies. The readings that bled onto his screens were anomalous, defying all known laws of physics. The Black Nebula was expanding, contracting, and folding upon itself like some gargantuan celestial organism. It was not a mere cloud of dust and gas, but a sentient being of impossible scale and origin. Compelled by a force he could neither deny nor comprehend, Dr. Silas keyed in the sequence that would activate the final phase of his experiment, a quantum entanglement communication. He would send a message beyond the boundaries of the Black Nebula and await the echo of a reply. As he transmitted a sequence of prime numbers, the fabric of reality within the observatory began to warp. The darkness seemed to peel away from the walls and slither toward the machine, as if summoned by an ancient and eldritch whisper. Dr. Silas watched, transfixed, as the darkness coalesced into a form both amorphous and imbued with a terrible symmetry. The being spoke in a language that bypassed the ears and resonated directly within the mind. His message was one of unfathomable antiquity, revealing truths that human consciousness was not equipped to grasp. The nebula was but a membrane, a boundary between the known universe and an expanse of dark realms where thought and substance were one and the same, where ancient entities drifted through the void, unbound by the tethers of time and space. As understanding dawned, Dr. Silas felt his mind teetering on the brink of a vast and bottomless madness. The knowledge was a corrosive, unwelcome revelation that threatened to unmake his very being. In his final moments of lucidity, he realized that the Black Nebula was not reaching out. It was, in fact, holding back the flood of horrors that lurked just beyond its event horizon. The entity dissipated, leaving behind a silence that was almost deafening. The machine fell silent, the resonance scan concluding as abruptly as it had begun. Dr. Silas, now a vessel for an excruciating enlightenment, could only weep as the stars outside seemed to flicker and laugh with a cold and different light. He had sought the secrets of the Black Nebula, yearning to breach the frontiers of human knowledge. Instead, he had opened a door that was never meant to be unlocked, peering into the abyss that lay beyond the boundaries of the Black Nebula. His last sane thought, before his consciousness was consumed by the vast darkness he had so foolishly courted, was the desperate hope that the nebula would remain, forever, an inscrutable enigma to those who came after him.